crystal clear, captivating in the serene atmosphere. On a rainy Sunday morning, after living in the lyrical in the score, playing a tune I never heard before. In the gentle pitter patter, secrets unfold, a symphony of rain, a story to be told. A soft rhythm lulls me into a trance, rain-kissed windows, a fleeting glance into a world where worries dissipate. In the embrace of this tranquil state, the sleepy day unfolds its tender grace. A canvas painted with droplets, a calming space. I lose myself in the cadence of the rain, a tranquil